show you guys how to take this passenger side fender liner off. You got these clips here. These are the pain in the ass clips to remove. These guys here are easy because they're just like, you know, little clips. And man, they come off pretty easy. But if your car's a little older, these cars have been in production for a while, these clips might just break on you. There's two. There's one up here. There's one here. There's one here. The back needs to come out. One there. This guy here. There's one there. This is pretty much loose. With these guys here, the pain in the ass ones. There's a little middle thing to push, and you can do it with a pick or like this guy. Push that in. Well, let's see how much of a fight this is gonna give me. Actually, it lived. Surprise, surprise. Okay, there's these guys. There's 3 of those and a couple of these guys. This thing should just... Oh, there's one more right here in the bottom. Yep, right here. So, if you got everything out, it should... It's flipped in his lip right here, so... See, look at that. I missed the clip up here somewhere, I guess. Okay. And there's 2 screws right here and right here. I can barely see it myself. One here and one here. There's the bigger head screws for the mud flap, and then these smaller head screws for the bumper cover. It also has a little belly pan thing. We gotta take that off first because the liner is intertwined with the belly pan that sits on the front. So let me raise it. There's a belly pan piece right here. There's a couple of these clips down here. I mean, we're gonna take everything off, but the liner, the flap comes down to here, and it's got a few. Let's take this side out first. Let me show you. You gotta take a couple more of these screws out because it's all connected to each other. There's one there. There's one down here in the bumper. The Subarus are a lot easier, but I mean, it's doable. Oh, let's see, these guys are intertwined. There's one guy right here. Yeah, if you don't have a lifter, if you don't have it on lift, just put on jack stands. It's gonna be a bit of a pain, but it will function. See this little thing right here? This guy's got all the connections to the liner. So there's 2 more 10s right here, and this liner will come off. I'm gonna show you guys. 1 10 here, and there's 1 10 here, and they both have a. So check it out. They both have the same head, and the same shank. So with a little bit of an edge right here. So this one and this one, there's a clip that goes in there. So with these guys out of the way, boom. Remember that clip that I broke? That clip right here, and the kind of toward the liner. It'll work fine. But there's one more clip right here. Don't forget this clip. I couldn't see it because it was dark. But we're gonna need this liner for later when we reassemble the car. So I'm gonna put this aside